Pussycat Dolls star Ashley Roberts keeps things together as she wears a plunging pink blazer with matching trousers on a night out. The singer, 40, sparkled at a screening of Disney Plus's Pam and Tommy in London on Monday. 3. Ashley looked phenomenal in her sparkly blazerCredit, Getty Images. 3. She was pictured alongside fellow Pussycat Dolls star Kimberly WyattCredit, Getty Images. 3. Ashley and Kimberly were at the premiere of Pam and TommyCredit, Getty Images. Fellow doll Kimberly Wyatt, 39, took time out from dancing on ice rehearsals to join her, right? Pink's a color that clearly suits Kimberly too. Last week Ashley revealed her schedule was so intense in the Pussycat Dolls that she was rushed to hospital over fears she was having a brain aneurysm. The singer was made to work so much that her body started shutting down and she had to have an MRI scan, then contracted viral arthritis. Speaking about the horror impact on her body of her time in the chart-topping group, Ashley said, "The thing was, being in a girl band, we make people a lot of money, so the schedule was outrageous. I'm not going to lie, by the end I was breaking down. I was in the hospital. They thought I was having a brain aneurysm. I think it was just from going, and my body was just shutting down really. I remember being in the hospital, I was actually here in London, and I was like, I've got to go to Germany, I've got to get on a plane now. I was like, I've got a show to do." As I was walking to get the MRI because they thought I was having a brain aneurysm, my knee locked up and I got this viral arthritis so I couldn't bend my knee. The doctor was like, "I think you need to just rest. It's wild."